go. Stay in my lane and I'll go. Look at these rappers, they all close. I might have switch all around with the flow. Let me switch it up on the mic, I'm attacking the hype. No, I'm so different, no friend of these guys. I made it seem it's a mess of the hype. Took out the nose, put my rap in the side, but I'm back, I'm back. Let it age, 50 brands in that bad patch, jazz in the snapback, flash in the day's gonna run like I got a tape on the way. You made me a day I can slide. I had a mic in my room, I was 9. Might have been 8, but I stayed on my ground. Shit, I never gave up as I look at the time. Shit, I gotta get it for real. Yeah.
Like if this turns out close to how good I think it's gonna do, like it's gonna be madness, you know what I mean? It's gonna be sick. Alright, let's go. Well, that was anticlimactic. It's a matte finish and then you got the orange chrome on top. It just looks, oh my god, dude. This is what I'm talking about. You can do something that everybody has done, just do it different. Big shout out to Bold for this. So I just want to say, like, they gave me a good discount. I still paid for the kit, but they gave me a good discount. And then we got this right here. We got J-Way. Homie, shout out Two-Stroke J for inspiring me to get a 125 two-stroke. This man, like, if you don't follow this guy, check him out. He does some crazy stuff over in the States. And also, look at this. This Elliot Gröndal sent me this before I had a KTM, and now I have a KTM. He knows the future. Oh my god, I'm so excited to get this on the bike. You know, while we're at it, let's just unbox this flag as well. I think it's a Bold Designz flag, which will be so cool to have. Like, yo, freaking love these, like, glittery things. I got this little blue chrome thing here, which looks insane. And we also got some candy. It's always fun to get some candy in your orders. And I've got some Bold logos right here. And then we got the Bold Designz flag here. Is it gonna be... Oh, look at this, man. Got the Bold flag in the building. Let's go. Shout out Bold Designz for this shit. Like, this is crazy. So I was just gonna pack this up and I found this. Yo, we got the craziest backpack wheelie logo ever. Yo, this thing is sick, man. Yo, where the fuck have we ended up, yo? We're right now having a Saab with the KTM on the back. And we're in Stockholm. Yo, this is gonna be crazy, you know? Let's go!
I made a commitment with this. I cannot get up and switch. We on a mission for this. Promise that this shit'll get us so rich. Ain't no more than that. I made a plan and I'm owning that. Don't say help me, just show me that. Just saying that you don't owe me that. They know I'm out of the lie to you, but don't make more money out of you. But I'm too clever, I learned on the road, so they would rather go bother you. Independent is the way that I'm gon' go. Say I'm late and I'll go. Look at these rappers, they all close. I'm about to switch all around with the flow. Let me switch it up on the mic, I'm attacking the hype. No, I'm so different, no friend of these guys. I made it seem it's a mess of the hype. Took out the nose, put my rap in the side, but I'm back, I'm back. Let it age, 50 brands in that bad patch, jazz in the snapback, flash in the days gonna run like I got a tape on the way. You made me a day I can slide. I had a mic in my room, I was 9. Might have been 8, but I stayed on my ground. Shit, I never gave up as I look at the time. Shit, I gotta get it for real. Yeah. I gotta get it for real. Mansion with bad things, I split it for real. If it's my four, go with it for real. I love my brothers, we did it for real. Long as you loyal, you with it for real. I told myself I ain't getting a deal. We'll get this shit for the muscle, we did it for days. Long as we hustle, I know that we're straight. Ain't no more struggle, we all getting paid. Me and boys, I don't need for no raise, no. I made a commitment with this. I cannot get up and switch. We on a mission for this. Promise that this shit'll get us so rich. Ain't no more to bet. I made a plan and I'm owning that. Don't say help me, just show me that. Just saying that you don't owe me that. Switching lanes and now it's sudden now. I was broken, what's her name? Fuck it, I got bugs now. Your bitch is in love with me. TKJ, we out now, but I don't give a fuck now. I got lots of love now. Out in Cali, switching lanes and now it's sudden now. I'm on bread with what's his name? Fuck it, I got bugs now. Your bitch is in love with me. TKJ, we out now. You on the other side, stay over there, yeah. We gonna fuck with you guys. This music is weird. On this time, I really keep it like nothing beside. I really don't care. I got some strangers and they be like fucking alright. Some brothers on dead. now. Your bitch is in love with me, and TKJ we out now. You on the other side, stay over there, yeah. You guys, this music is weird, but it's I'm really keep it like nothing but sad. I really don't care, I got some strangers and they be like fucking around. So brother, I'm dead, honestly I'm really sorry for all the bridges I burned. Shit is the worst, I want to let it go sit with some people who I was around, but feelings got hurt. Money got up and I look at the face of the ones who promised they told me that they would come. Honestly, they don't like that at all. I can just tell they was fake as a fuck. Close call, key space. I know that you fake. Couple ways to get paid. I gotta choose one way. I wish we stay close, but bad vibes may change. And my life switch sides, and your life stay the same. I don't give a fuck now. I got lots of love now. Out in Cali switching lanes, and they don't know what's up now. I was wrong with what's her name. Fuck it, I got bugs now. Your bitch is in love with me, and TKJ we out now, but I don't give a fuck now. I got lots of love now. Out in Cali switching lanes, and they don't know what's up now. I go back with what's his name. Fuck it, I got bugs now. Your bitch is in love with me, and TKJ we out now.
I got no time in the beat. I'm on another no beat. You wanna get it?
Really, I don't give a fuck now. I got lots of love now. Out in Cali switching lanes, and they don't know what's up now. I was wrong with what's her name. Fuck it, I got bugs now. Your bitch is in love with me, and TKJ we out now, but I don't give a fuck now. I got lots of love now. Out in Cali switching lanes, and they don't know what's up now. I go back with what's his name. Fuck it, I got bugs now. Your bitch is in love with me, and TKJ we out now.
Bro, my bike looks so good. Yo. I forget you don't need to any brake a 4-stroke. But yo, this 450 is nice though.
Vad tyckte du då?
Det var asnice.
Ja.
Det är fan en skön 450 när jag har kört.
Ja.
What the fuck? Ah, it looks so nice. Yo, look at this combo right here. We got the KTM on the trailer, and we got the Saab 900 1988. Let's get this thing unloaded and check it out with the new upgrades we've done to this bike, which looks so good. So let's just take this off the trailer. This is my 2009 KTM EXc 125, as most of you know, and we finally made it look really nice. It looks so good with this graphics kit. Show you guys what's done to it, but there's so many mosquitoes I can't stand still because they're just attacking me out of everywhere. A nice kit right here is a fully custom kit, and the orange on here to make it look really cool while still not popping out too much. It is an orange chrome, so when your bike is riding you can pretty much only see the orange. It looks so badass. It's so nice, and it reflects the sun. It doesn't really come across on video as good as it does in real life, but trust me, this thing looks insane when it's riding, and in real life it's just such a nice color combo. And then for the rest of the bike we got black and grey, because I wanted something that, you know, still had some detail but didn't stick out too much. And then we also had some white logos because to give it a little bit more contrast. We were going to have a lot more white on the bike, but I was like, you know what, let's just keep it grey. I was going to get like a gloss finish with glitter, because the Bold Designs do glitter graphics kits, which looks insane, and combine that with the orange chrome would look crazy. But at the same time, the matte finish with the chrome looks way better than I thought, and I'm so happy we went for it. It's just such a cool color combo. And then up here we got the 999, you know, legends never die. Then we got the S&T text here on the side. So I wanted to keep it as simple as possible while still making it look as good as possible. And this is just a perfect example where a graphics kit can do so much for your bike. So I definitely recommend checking Bold Designs out. They can make for pretty much every single bike after 2000, and pretty much every single bike after 2008. So hit them up on Instagram if you want the graphics kit. Ask if your bike is available, and they got like pre-made kit on their website, which looks so cool. And you can change your name, your color, and stuff like that, so you can make some crazy combos. And they work on most bikes, even though it's just a KTM on the picture. They work on every bike. They adjust it for your bike. So there's some pre-made kits for some really good prices. And then we also have the circuit grips. These were on when I bought a bike, but they were in fluo yellow, and they were so nice. I want to get another pair just in another color that matches this new color theme. So we got the gray circuit 4 grips. And down here is another detail I really like. This right here, J-Way. If you don't know, that's two-stroke J on YouTube. It makes the best Bikelife wheelie videos out there. He has a 450 supermoto and a 125 two-stroke 125, and I found him like last year sometime when he had like 2,000 subscribers. He has been blowing up on YouTube, and like this guy is so nice, and he does some crazy stuff. And this man, like, he inspired me to get a 125. I was gonna get a 450 4-stroke, but then watching his videos on the Suzuki RM 125, him doing crazy wheelies and stuff, I was like, you know what, I have to get a two-stroke dirt bike again. Check out his channel. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about it, and if you have not already, hit that red subscribe button. Join the squad on the road to 100,000 subscribers, and to see more videos with this beast right here, I'm gonna try to make as much videos as possible. But as always, it's been Boys and T, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh my god, should probably have to use the scissors for this instead of the knife, but